Welcome! In the last video, we made our project section responsive. In this one, we'll be making our contact section. It will also be fully responsive. As you can see, there is not much to work on. There will be an email message, and if you click that, it's a special type of A element that will open the Gmail section. And we'll be having our little icons that will take us to our social pages. This will be like the GitHub, Twitter, or Facebook, but you can put whatever you want in here. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so right onto our HTML file, we'll start off by creating a div. This is going to be the contact wrapper. Contact. We'll create an age one. This will have the ID highlighted. We'll say contact. There is going to be an h3 element, and there is going to be our A element. For the A element, the age ref is going to be male 2. This is what's special about it. If you write male 2 and then write an email, so for example, your email gmail.com, then when you click the A element, as I've shown you in the introductory section of the video, there will be a pop-up that will take them to the Gmail section right away. And we'll also give this the class email button. After that, there is going to be a wrapper for our social icons. Inside this, we'll have an A element. The target of this should be blank, so that it opens up in a new page. And here I just copy a font of some icon. We've already used font of some before, so it's going to be simple. This is the GitHub icon, and there is one extra thing that I added here, the FA2XL. You can set the size of the icon. This is in the font of some documentation by writing 2XL, XL, large, medium there. So it will resize the icon by default. We'll go on and copy this, and I'll change the icons respectively. I'll also set the href elements to simply GitHub, Twitter, and Facebook.com. Alright, that's it for our HTML file. Let's have a look first and then jump right into our CSS. So here are our icons. Here is the contact and here is the text. Of course, it's fully unstyled, so let's work on that. Alright, so here in our CSS, let's scroll down, and above the media queries, we'll have the selector contact. We'll set its display to be flex. The flex direction should be a column. We'll justify everything to the center. You already know the drill. Its width should be 100 viewport width units. We'll set a background color for it and a simple color. So the text will be white and the background color, well, to your liking. As for the h1 elements inside the contact, they will have a margin of 10 pixels on the top and the bottom and 0 on the sides. Same goes for the h3 element, except this one is going to have 20 pixels. The email button, its display should be flex. We'll justify the content to the center, align its items to the center, and the text align center as well. The width should be 160 pixels. The height should be 50 pixels. There should be a margin of 20 pixels on the top and the bottom and 0 on the sides. The padding will be 10 pixels. And we'll set a background color and the box shadow the same as the See Live button in our project section. And when we hover over it, it will be exactly like the See Live button in our project section. So this is basically the same button, we are just reusing it. Now as for the social icons, their display should be flex. The flex direction this time should be a row. We'll justify to the center. The padding should be 10 pixels. The background color will be black. The width should be 100% and the height should be 70 pixels. As for the A elements inside the social icons section, their display will be flex. We'll align everything to the center. We set the background color to be black. The border radius, this will be 20 pixels. The margin will be 15 pixels. And the width and height should be 50 pixels. Now whenever we hover over the A elements, their color will be set to orange. So if you're working with front of some icons, you can set their color by basically setting the text color. Alright. Oh sorry, I left the hover from here. And we still need one more thing. Here we say email message. Now we're good to go. So if you come back now, refresh, it's just as I showed you in the introduction, email message, and these are our social icons. If I press F12, I come down to the bottom, shrink, shrink, shrink. This will work fully responsively, as it should. Alright, so that's it for this one. We've made our contact section, it's also fully responsive. In the next one, we'll be wrapping up our project. We'll be working on routing. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like below. And if you have any questions about these, feel free to ask in the comment section. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.